So let's go ahead and unbox the Ring Video Doorbell here, the Wi-Fi version with the Chime, and take a look at what all is included here in the box, including things like the user manual, a template for where you install it and where all the screws go, etc. But moving on more importantly here, let's take a look at the camera itself. So here is the camera itself. We'll flip it around here. You can see we've got the connectors right there. And this is going to be the doorbell itself. Comes with a little cover here, which we can peel off. And that is what it looks like here, brand new. And we got the button right here to go ahead and ring the doorbell. Now, right next to it, we've got the Chime itself so that you can plug this into the wall here. And you can see the speaker right there. So when you ring the doorbell, this Chime will go ahead and beep and let us know somebody's at the door. Next, underneath, if we keep going, looks like we've got all the wiring and whatnot. For example, we've got our power cable right here that connects to the back of the doorbell. And then the other side right there, you can plug in using the included AC adapter. Alternatively, if you already have power run to the back side of the doorbell, they give you two different types of power cables. One here that looks like this, and then another side that's going to connect to the doorbell like this, and then has empty wires like that you can connect with these little twist nuts. We've also got a shorter version of the cable here like this that connects to the doorbell on one side and then plugs into the adapter on the other, in case you don't want to use the really long version. There is a short Ethernet cable that's included in case you'd like to use it as a PoE doorbell. And to plug it in there, if we take a look in the back, there's actually an Ethernet port you can see right there to plug it in that way, instead of maybe pulling power from these connectors right there. And speaking of the back, there's a slot right in there for the microSD card to store all the video footage that you capture here with the camera. Then here's a look at the included bracket, which you can use to install the doorbell. So we've got the plastic piece right here, as well as like the metal bracket itself that it's going to connect to. It's worth noting that the plastic piece that we just took a look at is actually slightly angled. As you can see, it's kind of a wedge shape like this. So if you want to install this onto your house, but then have your doorbell slightly pointed off at an angle instead of straight, you can use this little wedge mount here like this. And then there's some included screws and anchors here to actually get the mount installed onto your house.